In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recovery email address in Proton Mail. Setting a recovery email helps you regain access if you forget your password or lose a device, so it's a simple step that can save you a lot of time later. Let's walk through it together from inside your Proton Mail account. Start by opening your browser and going to the Proton Mail website. Sign in so you land in your inbox. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where your navigation lives. Find the section labeled Folders. Right next to Folders, you'll see a small gear icon. Click that gear to open the settings related to your mailbox. A settings panel will appear on the left side of your screen. In this panel, look for the option called Recovery. Click Recovery to move into the Account Recovery area. You should now be on a page or section titled Account Recovery. This page centralizes the tools that help you get back into your account if something goes wrong. Within Account Recovery, look for the field labeled Recovery Email Address. Click into that field and type an email address you can reliably access. A helpful tip here, choose an address that is not tied to the same login as your Proton Mail, ideally from a different provider you regularly use. That way, if you ever get locked out of Proton Mail, you still have another way to receive recovery messages. Double check for typos, because a small mistake here can prevent recovery later. After entering your address, click Save. Wait for a quick confirmation on the screen so you know your change has been applied. If Proton asks you to confirm the change, follow the on-screen prompts. That's normal and helps protect your account. Next, you'll see an option to allow recovery by phone. Toggle this on if you want to enable phone-based recovery. This adds another way to verify your identity and can be especially helpful if you lose access to your email. Be sure this phone number is current and under your control. If you ever change your number, remember to come back to this page and update it. Before you leave, take a second to review what you set. Confirm the recovery email looks correct, ensure the save action completed, and verify the phone recovery toggle is in the position you want. That's it. You've added a recovery email and enabled phone recovery in Proton Mail, giving yourself a safer, more resilient way to access your account if you ever need it.